Hiya guys, welcome to another video. So I've had a few things arrive from AliExpress that I want to share with you. So we've got a nice little AliExpress nail haul today. Now I did put an AliExpress haul out a couple of weeks ago, and one of the items that I got was this Foreverlily airbrush machine. And I did say in that video that I got some stencils as well, but I did say in that video that I'd ordered some airbrush paints and I was waiting for them to arrive. So what happened was they did arrive, but they had sent me the wrong ones. So this is the airbrush machine. Let me just show you that. If anyone's not seen that video, I will leave the link to it in my description box below, so you can go over and have a little watch of it if you want to see what I showed you in that video. So yeah, they did send me some airbrush paints, but when they arrived, they wasn't airbrush paints at all. They ended up turning up, and they were supposed to be Foreverlily airbrush paints as well, bearing in mind. But when they turned up, guys, they're not even airbrush paints. They are resin pigments. They're actually, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Let me try and show you. Look, can you see that? It's not even paint, guys. It's actually ink, which cannot be used in an airbrush machine. So I did have to get a refund on that, wait for the refund to go through. In fact, it did go through straight away. That is one thing I will say with AliExpress, guys. It's very, very rare they get my orders wrong. But anytime they have got my orders wrong, I have always got a refund straight away. So if anyone hasn't ordered on AliExpress before and you are a little bit dubious as to if things don't turn up or if things don't turn up right, how is the refund process and how easy is it to get your money back? I'll tell you now, it is so easy. As long as you take pictures and you explain exactly what the issue is, you'll have no issues. And not just that, like with these, AliExpress stepped in straight away. But if you find that it's up to the store to issue the refund and they refuse it, you can then go on to dispute that with AliExpress, and then AliExpress will step in and make the decision anyway. So you will always get a refund. As long as if you are being genuine when you're trying to get a refund, then yeah, you'll have no problems at all. So yeah, they sent these 20, and I was gutted, guys, because these were so cheap as well. So this was a pack of 24. So for a pack of 24 Foreverlily airbrush paints from the Foreverlily store was a lot dearer. So I ended up getting a pack of 12 instead. So we'll have a look at them first, shall we? I also want to tell you as well, guys, for anyone that hasn't heard of AliExpress before, AliExpress is an online marketplace. They sell pretty much everything. They sell things from nail products to beauty supplies, hair supplies, pet supplies, clothes, shoes, accessories, furniture, household stuff, electrical items, mobile phones. They sell pretty much everything, guys. Also, another thing as well, anyone that hasn't shopped on AliExpress before, I have got some amazing bonuses for new users. So I'll make sure that I leave all the information in my description box below. So make sure you have a little read in my description box. I do often have discount codes for people that aren't new users as well. So always make sure you check my description box, guys, when I'm doing AliExpress hauls. Any discount codes that I can find, I will always pop them in my description box. So this is the pack of 12 airbrush paints. Another thing, guys, if you are interested in anything that I show you today, I'm going to leave links to everything in my description box. Now, I do always do my best to try and find the cheapest listings on AliExpress. And I would advise, if you are interested in purchasing anything that I show in my videos, try and purchase it through my links. Because, for example, if I was to only show you these and you was really interested in them, but then you went on to AliExpress and you found that pack of 24, what I ordered the first time round, you're not going to be happy, because obviously it's not a pack of 24 airbrush paints. I'll show you the listing now. Very, very naughty. And I have made a complaint to AliExpress as well. And I've left them bad feedback, so hopefully that listing will get removed eventually. But yeah, I always do advise to try and order things through my links, just so you know what you're going to be getting. So this is a pack of 12 airbrush paints. You've got the manufacturer's details there. You've got 3 years shelf life. And then you've also got the main ingredients here as well. So let's have a little look, shall we? They come really well packaged. They didn't arrive broken or anything like that. finally, we've got some proper Foreverlily airbrush paints. As you can see, Foreverlily airbrush colour. So you get 10ml bottles, and like I said, this was a pack of 12. They've got another pack of 12, which I'm probably going to get them next. I'm going to see how these work with my airbrush gun first, obviously. If I get on really well with them, then I'll buy the other pack of 12. Then I'll have all the Foreverlily airbrush colours. But this one is the one that I decided to go for because you do get a black and a white. The other one you don't. I'll leave a picture on the screen now of the other colours that they do as well, guys. But I thought this one, for being the first airbrush paints that I've ordered, it's always best to get a black and a white, really, isn't it? So we've got a black, a white, like a purple, we've got a gold, we've got a, which one is it? That one's white, and this one's a pearly white. You can't really see, but that one's a pearly white. We've got a sky blue, and then we've got a baby blue. We've got a neon green, we've got a neon yellow, we've got a grey, we've got a light pink, and I love this one, look at that. So it's called orange red, but it's like a coral, neon coral colour. It's beautiful. So these are water-based, non-toxic. And it says tips: shake the ink evenly before use. Cover the bottle well after use to stop the ink from drying. Keep out of reach of children. Use it in a well-ventilated area. Clean up airbrush using water as soon as used. So we've got those. And we are going to give these a try at the end of the video. See what they're like. See how they work with this airbrush machine. So that's the 12 Foreverlily airbrush paints. So excited to try these. Next up, we have got a pack of swatch sticks, because I was getting really low on my swatch sticks, so thought I'd grab a pack of those. Next up, oh, this is cool. So this is a dotting tool pen. I saw Unpolished by Aggie got one of these recently, and I thought it's a really cool idea. Instead of having to have your dotting tools all individual, you can just have one pen and you've got them all there. So you've got a 0.8, a 1, a 1.6 and a 2. And then on the endlet you've got a silicone tool as well, which is really good for using for chromes, or you could use it for foils. Really, really handy. So this is the 0.8 nib. Nice tiny dotting tool there. Then we've got the 1, 1.6, and then we've got 2. And they are like your main sizes, what you're going to use, aren't they? I suppose you could even use that if you wanted a big dot. Can't see why not. It's silicone, so it's going to clean straight off, isn't it? So yeah, I thought that was really handy. Instead of having to have 4 different dotting tools, or 5 even, you just got one altogether. And then last up, we have got these. Now I've seen a lady using these on Instagram, and I thought, I want to try them. They look so cool. So they're jewel forms, but instead of inserting those silicone tabs to do French tips, they've got like, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but can you see there? They've already got the smile line inside these jewel forms, and the smile line is raised. You've also got different shapes that you can use on these as well. Look, all the different lines, so you can you see the different lines on there? Probably not. Yeah, just slightly, look. And these are really, really big, guys. Some jewel forms I find I struggle, and I haven't got very big thumbnails either. And I really struggle sometimes for jewel forms to fit my thumb. They always work out quite small. But this is a size 3. So you've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 0 to 14 in sizes. And if you look, this is a size 3. And that is still too big for my nail. 0, 1, 2, 3. So I would need a 4 for my thumbnail. So these are great for people who struggle to find jewel forms that fit. See, that is perfect for me. So a size 4 for my thumbnail. Perfect, look. That just shows how big these jewel forms are. And I love that shape. So they're like Russian almond, but you can use them for all different shapes. So I will be doing a video using these very, very soon. So make sure you keep your eyes peeled for that. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click your notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And see what I create with these. So that's everything for my haul today. But now I want to have a little go with this airbrush machine and these airbrush paints. Don't think I'm going to test all of them today, because that's just going to be long, because I have to obviously clean the airbrush machine out between colours. But I will show you a couple of the colours and we'll see how they work with this airbrush machine and how they apply, yeah? So I'm just going to get it set up and I shall pop back in a minute. Right guys, so this is the airbrush machine. To turn it on, hold your finger on that. That shows you your battery, so I'm on 80% battery. Then we've got 3 different PSIs. So you've got blue, which is medium. You've got green, which is slowest. And then you've got red, which is highest. So let's get some paint in there, shall we? See what it works like. Got to try this one first, haven't we? It's my favourite. So give it a good shake. Pop a couple of drops in there. Ooh, guys, look at that. Oh, it looks so cool. Wow, I love that colour as well. Now, to get rid of that, I'm going to flush it through with water and spray it onto an old bit of kitchen roll. Alright guys, that's all cleaned out. What other colour shall we try? Shall we try this baby pink? See what that looks like. Right, let's try that. Do you know what I really like, guys? You can get nice thin lines with this as well. I really like it. I'm actually loving it. Right, guys, shall we just try one more colour, just to show that it's not been a fluke. These 2 colours working so well. What other colour shall we try? Should we try black? Let's try the black. I don't think I need to be putting as much paint in as I have been just to do one line. I think I'm going a bit crazy with the paint, but it's all trial and error. Oh, my black rims fell off, look. I knew you was going to go in that, you bastard. Right, let's give that one a try. Ooh, look at that! Now, can you see that black's a little bit splattery? Now, I think that is because I've got water in here from where I've been cleaning it out. And I think the water's made it a little bit splattery. But like I say, I've never used this before, guys. First time I've ever used it, so it is all trial and error, trying different things. I just can't wait to do a set of nails with it now. I really want to try it with the stencils that I showed you in my last AliExpress haul. Got some really cool stencils. Like I said, guys, if you haven't seen that last AliExpress haul, I will leave the link for that video in my description box below. Go over and have a little look at it, because I've got some really cool stencils as well. So I'm definitely going to be doing a set of nails using this and those stencils. hopefully this week if I get time. If not, definitely next week. Right, I'm just going to get this clean up and then I'll pop back in a minute. So, there we are guys. That is everything for my AliExpress haul today. Like I said at the beginning, everything that I've showed you today, I'm going to leave the links for in my description box below. So if there is anything that you're interested in, all you got to do is click that link and it will take you straight to the item. Super easy. If anyone has any questions or if you feel like I've missed anything out of the video, you can always leave me a comment, guys, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you're not already subscribed, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I'm going to definitely do something with this airbrush machine over the next week or two. So if you want to see me using it and see how we get on with it, doing nail art, then just make sure you keep your eyes out for that video. So that is everything, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.